In this video, I'm going to show you how to order Texas chicken using Grab application. And click Grab, click Food, and then type place of delivery. Yan, place nyo. Lagay nyo yung place nyo. And then, type nyo yung Texas chicken. Ayan. So, pipili na tayo ng o-orderin natin. Ayan. Hanap. 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 Asa na? Okay. So, click natin yung order natin. 2 pieces chicken combo. Click spicy. Click french fries. Ayan. 3 order. And then, click add to basket. And view basket. And then, 3 orders. View basket. And then, mag-a-add pa tayo ng item. Ayan. Click add items. And then, hanapin natin yung i-add natin. Hanap, hanap. Ayan. Mashed potato. Isa lang po. Add to basket and then view basket. So, place, order, and then book with cash. Ayan. Processing na po siya. So, mag-aantay lang tayo ng message na i-confirm yung order natin. Ayan. So, na-confirm na yung order natin. So, ayan. Ika-confirm na natin ang ating order. Okay, re-reply na natin. Re-replyan natin ng emoji. Hanap, hanap ng thumbs up emoji. Tama. Yes, my order is confirmed. Yan ang reply natin sa kanila. Ayan, na-confirm na natin yung order. And then, while waiting, dapat i-ready na natin ang ating pera pambayad. Ayan. Papunta na yung driver sa Texas Chicken. So, let's wait for a moment. Mag-aantay tayo ng ating order. So, piniprepare na nila yung ating order. While waiting, don't forget your money. Pambayad. Ayan. Prepare pa. So, di-deliver na ng driver yung order natin. Ayan, replyan natin ng okay. So, yan yung address kung saan i-deliver yung order natin. Si Haburanoket 11, Minbury. So, antay-antay pa. Your order is on the way. So, mag-aantay pa tayo ng konti. At papunta na yung driver sa place natin. Are you ready? The driver is almost there. So, prepare na tayo ng pera natin. Pambayad. Don't forget to rate the driver. You can give tips instead of thank you too. Ayan. Andito na po yung order natin. Don't forget to rate the driver. Depende sa inyo kung 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. Depende sa service niya. And then, wag nyo ding kalimutan na i-rate yung in-order nyong pagkain. Thanks for watching!